3 ways to build a standout resume quickly. As in any industry, a standout resume is a must-have if you want to make it to the top. It can be a challenge to build credits, and it takes a lot of time and patience. In the beginning, you'll have to really hustle in order to start filling up that white space. Not to worry, you'll get there. Here are some of the best ways you can build up your resume quickly. Here is the first way to build a standout resume quickly. When you first get started, you'll probably have to take on a few gigs that aren't necessarily your dream opportunities. However, remaining open-minded and pursuing any potential bookings will help you put ink into paper quickly. The more you take on, the less white space there will be and more doors will open for you. So it's crucial to not be overly picky. Of course, you'll want to steer clear of anything that seems shady, but that doesn't mean you should turn down everything. At the same time, the faster you build your resume, the less patience you'll have, as you'll be on your way to accepting those more appealing gigs in no time. Here is the second way to build a standout resume quickly. Another tip is to have knowledge of and access to as many job boards as possible in order to build your resume as quickly as possible. You'll want network by connecting on social media, casting websites, and in acting groups. Make sure you sign up for accounts and start adding yourself to pages, groups, and discussion boards. Some casting sites are free, while others require a monthly or annual fee. But at the end of the day, the more connected you are, the more likely it is you'll find a gig in your area for which you can audition and get booked for. Here's the third way to build a standout resume quickly. Building your resume quickly sometimes means being open to traveling or even relocating depending on your comfort level. If you live in an area in which there are not a whole lot of things happening and you're determined to make it to the top, this could mean you come up with a plan to get yourself opportunities that are not so close to home. Once you're signed up and connected with numerous opportunities, most of the time you will gain access to pertinent information such as pay and perks. If you come across an opportunity that isn't in your backyard, but is worth it based on other criteria, and if it can help build your resume, you may want to give it a go. Being successful in the entertainment industry means being able to build yourself a marketing package that is eye-catching and noteworthy. This usually takes both thinking outside of the box and keeping an open mind. Once you start getting booked, make sure you stay on top of adding each new gig to your documented experiences. This way you can keep track of your accomplishments and you'll always have an updated resume to present to a casting director when asked. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.